enjoy this painting. I liked this painting. This is the painting of a table lamp. Very nice drawing. Class 2 student. Table lamp drawing. This drawing is incomplete color. Later you should complete the color. Okay? And use round shape here. Do you understand what I'm telling? You should use round shape. এটা ঘুরে গেছে না, সুতরাং তোমরা এটা এইভাবে ব্যবহার করবে, এটা ঘুরে যাবে। হ্যাঁ, তোমারটা ঠিক আছে। Another table lamp here. You should use more bright color here, so it's look like very good. Okay, okay, very nice. This portion look like very good. You should use fresh outline here. Okay, you should use fresh border line here. Okay.